Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off keyboard feedback on the iPhone. Today in front of me is an iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or the version of the iOS, it is going to work pretty much the same. So what you want to do is to go to the settings, which is this icon right here, and then go to the sounds and haptics. And once you swipe down a little bit, you're going to find the keyboard feedback. So let's click on this one. Now, as you can see, I have both turned off. So you can turn on sound and haptic. And now, if you type something on the iPhone, let me show you that. For example, maybe I'm going to search something in the Safari. Now I don't know if you can hear it, but let me just as you can see or hear, there is a sound feedback while typing, and also I can feel that the haptics are working too. So if you just choose the sound, you're going to get the sound only, or you can get the haptic only. So I'm going to turn it to the haptic one, and this is it. This is how you can turn on or turn off your haptic feedback of the keyboard. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.